and Bitcoin exchange traded funds have recently overtaken the investment world. One such ETF, the iShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF by BlackRock, has already amassed a staggering $20 billion in assets under management within a short period. However, prominent economist and gold advocate Peter Schiff has cast a shadow over this seemingly bright future, predicting potential legal nightmares for issuers of these ETFs. Schiff is a well-known critic of Bitcoin, repeatedly labeling it a bubble and dismissing it as a viable investment. He extends this skepticism to Bitcoin ETFs, viewing them as the speculative casinos, and his central argument hinges on the possibility of lawsuits from investors who experience losses after entering the market through these ETFs. Schiff suggests that even comprehensive risk disclosures might not shield issuers from legal action. He argues that public statements promoting Bitcoin might contradict the fine print in disclaimers, potentially misleading investors. And there's so much more here. But despite that becomes a Bitcoin stuff, mecoin really do how it works after they might meet in the area. It's smaller stepping down because they continue to see so much investors at accomplished interest. The iShares above Bitcoin Strategy ETF by BlackRock exemplifies this success as it is experiencing rapid growth in its AUM. And the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile, and Bitcoin is no exception. Schiff has a history of downplaying positive developments in the cryptocurrency space, such as the halving hype surrounding Bitcoin. This volatility underscores the importance of investor due diligence. Before considering Bitcoin ETFs, individuals should thoroughly research the underlying asset and understand the associated risks. And it's important to acknowledge opposing viewpoints.
Proponents of Bitcoin ETFs argue that disclaimers adequately inform investors of the risks involved. They emphasize that the investor is responsible for conducting proper research before making any investment decisions.
And while Peter Schiff predicts a wave of lawsuits against Bitcoin ETF issuers, the future remains uncertain, and the contrasting performance of these ETFs in the early stages and the potential legal challenges raise questions.
Only time will tell whether Schiff's warnings hold merit or if Bitcoin ETFs continue on their current positive trajectory. Regardless, this situation highlights the importance of investor awareness and responsible investment practices in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency.